Here I am, reaping the benefits of couchsurfing. Met a group of people through the website who wanted to go to the Hoh Rain Forest on the Olympic Peninsula, and here we are. 5-hour drive and sharing the cost of fuel, and I'm surrounded by these enormous trees. They've got to be 100 feet high. And it's just an amazing place. It's a non-tropical rainforest, and there's just moss everywhere, moss hanging off the trees. You can kind of see it over here, and it's just amazing. Just kind of like preparing me for the redwoods, huh? But I'm so happy that I was able to get out here, and with a group of great people too. I mean, except for the flat tire that we got once we got here, it's been great. And the fact that I haven't tripped on a root while filming is also pretty great.